Okay, this is the F. Let me keep on object. Okay, there's an object AB. We know if object is kept between F and 2F, the image will be beyond 2F. Already we know the ray diagram, everything. Based on that, I'll draw it. So first, if a ray passing parallel to optic axis after refraction will pass through the focus. The another ray, this will be undeviated. This will be the position of the image. Okay, so this is the object. So this A dash, B dash, I'll call it. Okay, these are the typical symbols what we are using here. First we'll this, let me call M that one. This is the object distance U. This is the image distance V, and this is the focus. We have to derive the length equation. So let's take the angles here. This angle will be theta 1, theta 2, theta 2. I don't know, in books this topic is missing, but this is something very fundamental for us. Huh? So the medium on either side of lens, let it be A. So tan theta 1, looking at the triangle, tan theta 1 should be equal to AB by PA, which is nothing but equal to PM by PA. Because AB equal to PM, no? So another triangle I can also write from this triangle, tan theta 1. So this will write A dash B dash by PI or PA dash. Okay, this is about the two triangles. So next, similarly, we'll go for tan theta 2. Just look at the triangles, nothing is there. Tan theta 2, we can write it as A dash B dash by FA dash. Yeah, this triangle, tan theta 2, A dash B dash by FA dash. Then A dash B dash as it is. What is FA dash? FA dash, you can write FA dash, you can write as PA dash minus PF. This distance. This distance is equal to what? PA dash minus PF, that one. Shall we also write tan theta 2 here? Theta 2 equal to PM by PF. So therefore equating these two, PM by PF equal to A dash B dash by PA dash minus PF. Now what we are calculating, PA by, okay, this is the one equation. So next again, okay, equating these two, PM by PA equal to A dash B dash by PA dash. Okay, this is the equation 1, equation 2. So I think I'll write it further in. No, so one more equation, let me write it here. So this Pm by A dash B dash, we can write it as Pa by Pa dash. Here Pm by A dash B dash, you can write as Pf by Pa dash minus Pf. This is the equation 1, 2. We'll equate 1 and 2. So Pa by Pa dash equal to Pf by so some set of equations we have here. So this I'll rewrite Pa by Pf equal to Pa dash or this will be Pf by Pa is equal to Pa dash minus by Pa dash. So this will be Pf by Pa equal to 1 minus Pf by Pa dash. Let me substitute all the things with sign. What is PF? What is the direction of incident ray? Towards right, no? The ray is incident towards right. All the distances will measure from the pole. The direction of incident ray is taken positive. All the distances, there is a convention. All the distances, all the distances are measured. All the distances are measured from the pole and direction of incident ray is taken as positive. So what is PF? PF will be focus, so plus F. PA will be minus U. Or later on if you want, okay, now only better to substitute and we'll solve it. What is PF will be again plus F. PA dash will be plus V. We'll solve this equation. So let me send minus U equal to 1 by F minus V or 1 by V. This is called like a lens equation. Very, very important. So we need not to take help of scale protractor directly. If you know object distance and focal length of the lens, substitute them, you'll get the position of the image. Okay, after this, we need even the height of the image. No? I want the height of the image. Can we use any formula here only? The height of the object. Yes, we take help of the magnification. So what is the basic transverse magnification? We derive expression for the magnification. So how we define the magnification? Height of the image by height of the object. Transverse magnification. This is defined as height of image by height of the object. Then what is the height of the object? Will be A dash B dash. Height of the image will be A dash B dash, height of the object will be AB. Then the magnification, there's a formula. A dash B dash, what we can write it as? Tan theta, A dash B dash will be tan theta 1 into PA dash. Then you have to look at the above diagram here. This one. Tan theta 1 will be A dash B dash by PA dash. Similarly, AB, what you can write it as? Tan theta 1 into PA. So what is the magnification? What is PA dash? PA dash will become, PA dash will be, this is measured opposite, no? Minus negative sign will come. Yeah. PA dash will become plus V minus U. So this will become V by U. So this is the formula for magnification. If you know the magnification, then height of the image equal to magnification into height of object. Substitute all with sign. Sir, we are not understanding it. Why negative sign here? This is a negative sign. So you measure A dash B dash vertically down. Any distances measured vertically down should be negative. Any distance measured vertically up should be positive. So A dash B dash is measured vertically down. So therefore it should be negative. So minus tan theta 1 PA dash. So this will be tan theta 1 into PA. AB into PA, that one. What is the distance AB? PA. So we brought expression for the transverse magnification or linear magnification. Once you know magnification, substitute M and HO with sign, you'll get the height of the image. You'll get even the nature of image also, whether it's inverted, erect. If you get M negative, it will be inverted. M positive, it will be erect. Then M greater than 1 magnified, M less than 1 will be inverted. So like this, we have a formula for the lens equation and the transverse magnification. I think these are the two fundamental things which we'll be using almost in every numerical, which you have to remember. The lens equation and the magnification. Okay, now after learning this, we'll come back to the